Look who it is. Whoa, easy there, buddy.
I come over, you give me the
Nice. It's got a nice.
birthmark over here. Got a birthmark.
Yeah, I see. What you burned your boot already?
Yeah. Well, I just ordered the heat
shields.
Yeah.
Oh man. So what, bro? What do you think, man?
Oh man.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah, you happy with it?
Such a different bike.
Yeah, different, right?
Wow. I literally.
Holy cow!
I had to put the backrest back on because I was being thrown off the bike.
Get out of here!
No, literally, you have to hold on. It's
right.
Such a difference.
It probably obviously you didn't dyno tune it yet. So what? All right. So what do you have? You got Power Vision.
Power Vision. I got the license. I mean.
Right. So you got the Power Vision tuner on here, and it what is it on self correct, self auto correct?
For now, it's the base map that they got from Fuel Motor.
So you're not doing that. What is it called? That auto tune? Auto tune? No.
Because tomorrow we're gonna go to a Tour Custom Cycles.
Gotcha. And you're gonna dyno tune it. Gotcha. So even with whatever the map you're using straight from Power Vision, it's probably definitely gained 20 horsepower easy and probably 15 foot-pounds of torque. So you could definitely tell.
Remember from my video, actually your video as well has the basic the cam that came with this bike. It's pretty much their torque cam. It's Harley's torque cam.
Right.
It's their stage 2 torque cam.
Right.
With their Screaming Eagle map, whatever. It was giving, when we ran the dyno, if you remember the tune, it was giving 92 horse and 113 torque.
Right, which is pretty good numbers.
Yeah, stock, you know?
Wow.
So definitely, this cam, the 3030, is going to give. We'll see in a few days, but it feels much more powerful.
I predict. I say, after he has it dyno tuned, I think he's going to be. I think you're going to be at probably around, or you should be at around 128 horsepower.
That area, yeah.
132 foot-pounds of torque. That's just my guess.
Yeah.
Paul, big guy, he's got the CVO, right? With the 117. With the 475 cam, those were his numbers: 128 horsepower and 132 foot-pounds of torque.
But remember,
good, different pipe.
No, not a different dyno as well.
I understand, but listen, either way, regardless, if the dyno is calibrated correctly, they should all read pretty close.
You're right.
Okay,
You're absolutely right.
Obviously every dyno is going to read something different. You shouldn't have a major horsepower difference or a torque difference.
No,
if you see a major difference, then either somebody's inflating numbers or the dyno
not calibrated.
It's not calibrated correctly. But if you have two of the same dynos and two are calibrated correctly, you shouldn't be off by, I'm talking, you shouldn't be off by 15 horsepower, 10 horsepower. You're going to see probably maybe 3, 4, maybe 5, maybe if that. But let's see. That's the numbers I'm guessing. So let's see if I'm right. Around 128. with 132 foot-pounds of torque.
Which with every build we do with the crew,
Right.
we always like in our chat to talk about like guess
Numbers.
what numbers we
Right,
get.
right.
And everybody's pretty close, you know, because
Right.
there's how wrong can you go? You know?
Yeah. Well, either way, this is a big, huge step up in power and torque, and obviously now you took the training wheels off, and now you got
Lollipop is out of my, that's it.
That's
No more
it. You got the
lollipop, no
you got the
playing
bib off. You got the bib off. You got the baby bottle out of your mouth, and now you got a stage 2. And I think you did it right. I think you went with the right cam, 30, the dirty 30,
dirty.
and
Listen,
you got an exhaust on it. At least now it's. And listen, I feel that way. You need a loud exhaust.
Yeah.
You can't be rolling up on people, especially, and I'm talking about cars, all quietly, because you know how people drive around here, especially around here.
You know what I was, John, when you were recommending what pipes and stuff like that, we were researching, and I think we came with a very good decision at the end is to go with a long pipe, not only for the increased power, yeah,
For your ears, for preservation of the ears.
Hearing aids.
Yes.
So I can push back the hearing aids
100%.
for 10 more years.
Yeah,
Trust
because people got to understand the short pipes right here.
exactly where you're sitting.
It's right where your head is. And trust me, when you're on a long trip, you're going to come off that bike wishing you had a longer pipe. So this is not like the full length. This is kind of in between, I guess, three-quarter.
That's, I think, as long as the soft tail will go, maybe. But the full length would be as like all the way up to here, right?
Well, no, it's further. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
On your touring is all
If you see my bike, my pipe is way past the back tire.
Gotcha.
It's pretty much even. It's even with the fender, right?
Right.
So
I see.
that propels the sound. That's going to propel the sound back and away from you, and it's a big difference.
Yeah.
Trust me.
No, I
So
see.
this
See what you
pipe
mean.
is like, I would say 3/4. It's
Right.
I call it a 3/4. So this would be like half, 3/4 full.
Right.
But a short pipe and a lot of it looks good.
It sounds good as well.
Yeah, but I still think this pipe sounds good, but that pipe has the back pressure.
Oh, we know
that's what it is.
We have that. We know the secret ingredient.
The secret, the recipe,
the recipe. That
But
only they make it. They only make that ingredient, right?
that recipe,
Yeah. Nobody else can. I don't know.
I haven't heard. I keep telling people I haven't heard a pipe yet. Chrome works 2 into 1. Also, that reducer, I keep telling
that's
people,
it, yeah.
this added just that little bit. That reducer right there, if you guys could see that, that added just the right amount of back pressure. Because if on Silverback, I had the baffles, the louvered baffles,
right.
didn't sound like this. So just that little change made this, and also this is a 2 into 1, so all that pressure is going into one muffler.
Right.
But whereas yours,
Pretty open.
it's open.
Yeah.
It's a nice pipe, but it's absolutely all open, so it doesn't have that back pressure. But it's probably going to do really well up in the high RPM range.
Yeah, what we saw at Blockhead's video is when they dynoed it. It did just as well as the HPI and.
How much horsepower do you remember? No, you don't remember.
But it was like their top pick at this stage.
But see, Sandy already melted his.
No, it's a birthmark. It's a birth.
Melted his.
They both have
melted his boot. Melted his boots right there. Oh, did you? Let me see.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, jeez.
But I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I've already ordered the guards, the engine.
Right.
The pipe shields.
Well, I mean, listen.
Yeah.
It looks great. It sounds great, but once you get it dyno tuned, it's going to sound again totally different. It will.
Yeah.
Trust me, because air fuel ratios are going to be different.
Mm-hmm.
Timing, he's going to set up the time, all that good stuff.
Yep.
So it's going to sound, even different.
You see, it's starting to bronze out already.
Right. Listen, this is the main thing. Are you happy?
Oh, I'm very happy.
You're very happy. That's all that matters, man. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's night and day from stock. I mean, I'm sorry. Any bike, I can't run a bike stock. Just like right now, the Hayabusa is killing me. It's killing me with the stock pipe on it. I can't wait to get, that's going to come soon. But yeah, so awesome. Give me another startup for everybody.
I'll do one that I can get.
Shots, not too much. Go ahead. Oh, it's loud.
It snaps.
All right. I think you picked a great cam. Can't wait to see a dyno tune. Can't wait to see the numbers on it. But this thing is gonna friggin' rip, man.
It will.
Especially, like I said, this is over 200 pounds lighter than Mad Max. So it is definitely going to rip. Anyway, guys, are you going to be at the meet and greet April 29th?
Of course I am.
Okay, just making sure. I didn't know because this guy's always flying.
No.
Check out Holy Shift's channel. You could see all his Lowrider ST stuff. Beautiful bike. He's got a lot of amazing components on it.
John,
hang on before I forget.
Okay.
April 29th, Saturday. Just in a couple days here, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Sandy's going to be there. Holy Shift. We got Baggers and Brews coming. Bert and George. We got SJ Bagger coming. Maybe Fly and Ride. I'm not sure, but anyway, we're gonna have a great day. So come on by and say hello. Bergen County Harley Davidson, April 29th, 9 a.m. Come by and say hello. I also got a nice giveaway with a Saddleman seat. You could go ahead to my website, www.cycle-fanatics.com. Buy a hat, get yourself entered, because I'll be picking the winner while we're there. Any other thing you want to plug something? Oh, right here. Use code. These are actually really nice. Not this color so much. But
oh, you don't like the color, dude? It's the stylish color.
Not this color so much, but I have two of these. It's Beyond Riders. I'll leave a code down below.
It's Kevlar.
Just Holy Shift is the code. If you go to, that's the good thing about it. I have two of the flannel looking ones. I have a blue one and a white and black one, and it's all Kevlar lined. Use code Holy Shift, right?
Just one word, Holy Shift.
One word, Holy Shift.
A $10 discount.
$10 discount on.
I make a little bit.
And it's really quality. I'm telling you, the quality is there. And it's, like I said, it's Kevlar lined. If God forbid you come down off the bike, you're not gonna leave your skin on the pavement. That's why I tell you guys all the time, gotta have the gear on. Unless it's 95 degrees out there, always have the gear on. Your riding boots, good riding gloves, IndyRidgeUSA.com. Get yourself 10% off. Use code Fanatix10. Because you do have to have the proper riding gear. I see too many squids fall off of their bikes and get hurt pretty bad, and it doesn't have to be that way. But anyway, check out his channel. This bike is... Oh, you got the love jugs too.
Yeah, I had to. My whole theory behind it.
Yeah, you got the love jugs.
Everything is running hotter.
Of course, sure. More power, more heat.
Yes, absolutely.
More power, more heat, man. Beautiful. Comes on immediately, or you got to switch?
It's a switch, but it's either you choose it on or off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Sweet. And it looks good.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Right?
Yeah. Looks awesome, bro. Fantastic. All right, good luck, brother.
Thank you.
All right. That's it for this video. Hit that subscribe button. All right, hit that subscribe button.
Hit it.
Hit it
Don't
hard.
click it.
And we're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. Thanks to you guys. All right. So we'll see you guys later. Peace out. Love every single one of you guys. We'll see you later.